Ladies and gentlemen, you do some restoration in your motorhome, your aeroplane, always you can do better, guy. You see this wire there? It run it to give me you an outlet when you look at your phone, your PC. It run it right there, guy. It's look very funny. Always piece of wood with a piece of foil with the carpet. It look very funny, guy. Why you can have a nice chrome molding or nice piece of ceramic there? Look beautiful, guy. Why you gonna need it? Piece of truss. See this? It's garbage, right? But for you, it's gonna be a piece of gold. You're gonna use a small bit, guy. You see? Right there. You're gonna mark with small one. And then you're going to look down there if you're okay when you have the small hole. And then you're going to need, I think, this half 3/4 inch, guy. I think that's what you need. So you pass the cable here, go all down by the chassis, and then you suck it up there where the close is going to be, guy. And then before you run it, you're going to submit the cable right here. And then you're going to seal it with a little caulking around there, and when they're going to come out. So nothing going to go there, no enemy and no water. And you safety and you look so much better here, guy. Alright, you see this is a closet down there, guy. Alright, let me begin how I'm gonna do. Like I said, I'm gonna use a small bit right there. I'm gonna leave it to the drill like this. I'm gonna take a look straight to make a bigger hole. Keep it going, guy. Ladies and gentlemen, right here, you should clean it up very good, guys. Remove all the motor. Alright, have to be very clean, guys. And you see this space here? Don't worry about, because the next day, after you do the ground, just be sure, guys, you clean good. Why? Because when you come to fill it up with the ground, any wire you left here on the edge, right here, gonna be ahead. You see? You do cookie the next day. Alright? See the ground? If you leave anything in the edge, it's hard to clean it up in the next day, guys. To be sure you clean it up good, so it's gonna be easy for you the next day to do the job. What do you like? You like this machetero? This is machetero, guys. This machetero because you are what you breed, guys. You breed this garbage, macheteros. You know what machetero Puerto Rico? See the different, guy? I do this about with 2 pounds of this motor. See that way looking, guys. See right here, need a little cocky to make it even. Alright. And then you go with the wallpaper, whatever you like it. This is the different, guy. But you must do what we do at the beginning, guys. Remove the wire. You see how there are lasers right there? See how coming out down there? See what I did here? Oh no, I can't show you. I did do a hole there. Submit the wire, run all the way down, get up here, and come right there, guys. See that? Ladies and gentlemen, you see down there? Right here you're gonna do cocky, guy. Right, because the ground is sticky good on the plastic or whatever. So you need cocky feet, guy, all the way down there. Yeah. And he need to be primed, guy, before you do a wallpaper. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, you see right here? Make sure you seal it with good cocky, guy. See? That's the driver's side, and this is the passenger side here, right? You see that? You seal it here so no change the water go inside here. Alright, you see, when you do foam, you can use a little bit of this cocky to seal it all around. It will be much better, guy. Alright, look at more presentation and no change no water go there, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, a little secret when you do a wallpaper, guy. Sometimes you have to switch. You need to find out, guy. You see that? That's what you want. You see the line how it go there? See that? You have to play with a little bit, right? Because look, if this flower down here not gonna match and not gonna look straight here. Alright guys, you see how I go there? This line here with that, and this line here with that. Look, that when you would do wallpaper, you have to play a little bit, alright? You have to not just stick it, boom, 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 finish. Because you need to have good presentation, guys. You see how I look? I'm very organized, guys. You see that? That is supposed to be, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, you see, this is the line, which one that was running here, alright? Alright guys, I show you step by step what you do. We did a hole here, running like down there, and coming up here, guys. You see that? Have to be sealing here too, guys, because you know when water coming up, when you map it here, you know when water go there, alright? You have the outlet right there, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, everything can be easy. If you ask me how much expensive, almost nothing, guys. All this ceramic there, the leftover when I do the job right here, guys. All this, you know, you have almost a lot of small pieces you cut there. So saying about the yellow and the blue color, guys, almost the same, guys. I spent almost nothing, but you see the difference. Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in this planet, you are what you eat, what you drink. You drink soda, water, and number one, what you breathe. What you breathe, guys, is extremely important, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope to try to help you. God bless all of you. Hasta la vista, baby.